Have you noticed what's been happening with grocery stores lately? It's not just a local issue, it's happening all over the country. We've seen a ton of major retailers like Walmart, Target, even Whole Foods shutting down stores across the country. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a significant shift in how we access our daily necessities. And the ones that are open? Empty shelves and sky-high prices are becoming the new normal. It's almost surreal to walk into a store and see so many empty spaces where products used to be. Now, I'm not saying you need to go full doomsday prepper, but it's becoming increasingly clear that having a solid stockpile of essential foods isn't just a good idea, it's becoming essential. Think about it, what would you do if you couldn't get to the store for a week or even a month? You never know when supply chain issues, natural disasters, or unforeseen circumstances might make a trip to the grocery store impossible. We've seen it happen before with hurricanes, snowstorms, and even during the early days of the pandemic. That's why today, I'm sharing 7 essential foods you need to stock up on right now. These aren't just any foods, these are items that can sustain you and your family through tough times. These are pantry staples that have a long shelf life, won't break the bank, and will keep you and your family fed when you need it most. From canned goods to dried foods, these items are versatile, nutritious, and most importantly, they last. So let's dive in and make sure you're prepared for whatever comes next. First up, we have the undisputed champion of affordable calories and shelf-life rice. This humble grain has been a staple food for billions of people around the world for centuries. Its ability to provide sustenance and energy at a low cost makes it an essential item in any pantry. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or just looking to save some money on groceries, rice is your go-to option. I'm talking about plain white rice. This type of rice is particularly well suited for long-term storage because it has been milled to remove the husk, bran, and germ, which are the parts of the grain that can spoil more quickly. This process not only extends its shelf life, but also makes it easier to cook and digest. A 20-pound bag costs around $15, and if you store it properly, it can last you for decades. That's right, decades. This makes it an incredibly cost-effective option for anyone looking to stock up on non-perishable food items. Imagine having a reliable source of nutrition that you can count on for years to come without worrying about it going bad. Make sure you keep it in airtight containers in a cool, dry place, and you're good to go. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality and longevity of your rice. Airtight containers prevent moisture and pests from getting in, while a cool, dry environment helps to preserve its freshness. With these simple steps, you can ensure that your rice remains in perfect condition for years. You can use it as a side dish, a base for stir-fries, in soups, or even in casseroles. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths. Rice can easily absorb the flavors of whatever ingredients you pair it with, making it a perfect complement to a wide variety of dishes. Whether you're cooking up a quick weeknight dinner or preparing a feast for a special occasion, rice can be a reliable and delicious component of your meal, or even as a breakfast porridge. Start your day with a warm, comforting bowl of rice porridge, which can be sweet or savory depending on your preference. Add some fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious breakfast, or mix in some vegetables and spices for a savory twist. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to make use of your rice in different meals throughout the day. It's a blank canvas for flavor, and it's a lifesaver when you need a filling, affordable meal. Whether you're feeding a large family or just cooking for yourself, rice can stretch your meals further and keep everyone satisfied. Plus, it's easy to prepare and can be cooked in large batches, making it a convenient option for meal prepping. So, stock up on rice and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having a reliable, versatile, and long-lasting food source in your pantry. Next, let's talk about protein, and one of the easiest and most affordable ways to stock up is with canned goods. Canned proteins are not only budget-friendly, but also incredibly convenient. They have a long shelf life, making them perfect for stocking up your pantry for any situation, whether it's a busy weeknight or an unexpected emergency. Think tuna, chicken, salmon, sardines. These are all fantastic sources of protein that can last for years in your pantry. They are perfect for those days when you need a quick meal but don't have time to run to the store. Plus, they are packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Look for varieties packed in water or low-sodium options to keep things healthy. Reading labels can help you make better choices, ensuring that you get the most nutritional benefit without unnecessary additives. it's always a good idea to be mindful of what you're putting into your body. Canned fish is incredibly versatile, perfect for quick sandwiches, salads, or even pasta dishes. You can get creative with your recipes, adding these proteins to a variety of meals. They can be a lifesaver when you need to whip up something delicious and nutritious in no time. And don't forget about canned beans. They are another excellent source of protein and fiber, making them a staple in any well-stocked pantry. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, they're packed with protein and fiber, and they can be added to soups, stews, or even mashed up for veggie burgers. These beans are not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile, allowing you to create a wide range of dishes that are both healthy and satisfying. So next time you're at the store, make sure to stock up on these pantry powerhouses. Speaking of beans, let's give a special shout out to their dried counterparts. Dried beans like lentils, black beans, and pinto beans are nutritional powerhouses loaded with protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Plus, they have an incredibly long shelf life, we're talking years. Just make sure you store them in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Dried beans do require a bit of soaking and cooking, but trust me, the flavor and cost savings are worth it. Chapter 4. Pasta, the quick and easy meal solution. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a big bowl of pasta? It's quick, it's versatile, and it's incredibly affordable. A single box of pasta can provide several meals, and it stores well for months in your pantry. Keep a variety of shapes on hand: spaghetti, penne, macaroni. The possibilities are endless. Pair it with your canned proteins, some jarred sauce, or even just some olive oil and spices for a quick and satisfying meal. Chapter 5. Peanut butter, the calorie-dense wonder. Next up is a personal favorite, peanut butter. This stuff is calorie-dense, packed with protein and healthy fats, and it lasts for months without refrigeration. It's a great source of energy, especially in situations where access to fresh food might be limited. Spread it on crackers, use it as a dip for fruits and veggies, or just grab a spoon and enjoy. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even make your own peanut butter energy bars. Chapter 6. Canned fruits and veggies. Boost your nutrient intake. Now, I know what you're thinking, canned fruits and veggies, but hear me out. While nothing beats fresh produce, canned options can be a lifesaver when you're trying to get your daily dose of essential vitamins and minerals. Look for fruits canned in their own juice or water, and opt for low-sodium or no-salt-added vegetables. Canned fruits are great for smoothies, yogurt parfaits, or even just a quick snack. And canned veggies can be added to soups, stews, or even just heated up as a side dish. Chapter 7. Freeze-dried foods, the ultimate shelf-stable option. Finally, let's talk about freeze-dried foods. These might be a bit pricier than other options on this list, but they offer some serious advantages. Freeze-drying removes moisture from food, preserving its nutrients, flavor, and even its original shape. This means you can get everything from fruits and vegetables to meats and even complete meals in a shelf-stable format that can last for years. Just add water, and you're good to go. So there you have it. 7 essential foods you need to stock up on right now. Look, I'm not saying you need to turn your basement into a doomsday bunker, but having a well-stocked pantry can provide peace of mind in uncertain times. It's about being prepared, not scared. By taking some simple steps to ensure you have a reliable source of food, you can navigate whatever challenges come your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal finance, real estate, and of course, staying prepared. Until next time.